Okay, someone's gonna get hurt. I call it.
Hey you guys, so we have a couple of fun things coming up and we wanted you guys to know about it. We have a car show coming up this Saturday, which is September 3rd in Panguitch, Utah, 2022, in case you guys watch this back in a year or something. Panguitch, Utah at the baseball fields. If you guys are in the area, come see us.
And we also have another car show the 23rd and 24th in Mount Carmel. The 23rd is the cruise-in in Kanab that night, and then the 24th will be on the golf course in Mount Carmel Junction, Utah.
So if you guys are in the area, come say hi.
Yep, we'll have some cool stuff, and maybe the giveaway car will be parked there and you can check it out.
Oh man.
What?
It wasn't filming.
It wasn't filming?
No.
The light wasn't blinking?
So anyway, we cut all this stuff off when we weren't filming, but it's on time lapse.
Michelle, Firebird. It's Ben's fault.
I did it.
Actually, I'm running the camera.
We'll get you next time.
So Grammy and Grandma want to drive this thing. I don't know if I dare let them though. Thelma and Louise it, jump it off into the Grand Canyon or something. Land, will you get that dog?
Who's driving this rig?
Thelma's driving.
All right.
Hey, if you drive a farm truck, you can drive this.
No, it's not even like a farm truck. It's like driving your car.
All right. Thelma and Louise.
Yep. And it's an automatic at that point.
Okay.
Just going to push the snow. You're famous, Uncle
Okay,
Jason.
except we gotta talk about what's going on here.
This is Jason, Michelle's brother. Michelle's brother. Turn a little bit this way, you guys. So
All right,
this is Jason. This is Michelle's brother.
What's going on here is Grandpa Dallas from the sprinkler line.
Take your sucker out of your mouth.
She is never happy.
Telling you what. But it is what it is.
Look at that. You can't say that unless you stand like this. Do it. Do it. Do it. Let me.
What is that?
Let me help you. Just put your hand on your head like this. And you be like, you cock a little bit. Would you look at that? Would you just look at it? Sometimes you just gotta look at it. What is that guy's name? I don't know. Oh, you haven't seen him where he goes to try to buy that car? Some like he's all dressed up like a nerd and he tries to buy this car and he's just walking around it.
Oh,
would you look at that? Would you look at this? Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. That's yeah.
Would you just look at it?
You're good to go.
All right. Maybe. We may be back.
There you're in gear.
I got my phone in case we wreck. Go for it. That steering wheel. All right, Thelma.
The what? Well, that didn't work out.
Action.
All right.
I don't know why that worked. Okay, it runs. Let's get it going.
You fixed it, Ben. You're a genius.
Test light.
Test light fixes all. There's no need to work on it. It's running.
Oh,
it died.
He doesn't panic in the midst of a fire. He was raised by a pyrotechnic.
Yes, he was. I burned down a few things in my life.
Yep.
We used to have a pedal.
We did have a paddle boat once.
We did. And a chicken coop and a pig pen. No animals were harmed.
No.
But then I had to come up with a story as to how it started, so I chose lightning.
Pretty sure Grandpa knew the lightning didn't hit that.
Well,
Lightning,
it
huh?
was either that or I wasn't home, and he knew I was home, so it had to be lightning.
That stuff's flammable.
I could use one of those though. That would burn up a lot of stuff.
Did you see that? This stuff's flammable.
Hey, he's
There is the DNA there.
DNA there. We reckon we'll never hear the end of it.
Yeah, that's for sure. You want to drive back?
I don't know if sure you do. Alright. It's still light. I can see a little bit. I can get out.
Right here.
Alright.
We're here trying to work. Michelle's over there videoing stuff.
But
This is fun.
this is what we have to deal with. This is hard. I mean,
She's a freaking boss.
when she's done.
Guess we're on Union break.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, there we
We
go.
were done. Alright. I got a partner back there. It looks like I do. You break his tooth out, I want evidence.
That's not a good idea.
Don't show your teeth. Ah. He's gonna catch this in his mouth from here. Oh, that was a good throw too.
Ow! I'm scared.
Here, do it to me.
You watch, gonna choke him.
Ready?
We didn't play this game.
Okay, someone's gonna get hurt. I call it.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
Who measured this situation?
Other kids and stuff.
Somebody's really got to learn how to read a tape measure.
One him. Wasn't me. It was a tape measure. Where is it?
It's got to be wrong.
We got a broken tape measure here. It pulled on us a little. Straight down.
It
the
almost fit.
It will fit in a second.
Yeah. 1 second and I'll make that fit. Like it never happened.
Edit.
Yeehaw! Oh, you little son of a little Michelle. Someone need a hug? There you go. Take that.
Quit peeing in your pants. Turn around.
Why are we gonna make fun of my pants?
You're not cool unless you pee your pants. Name that movie.
My hands are greasy.
Yeah, so you're gonna.
We might have to take your shirt off to get this done properly.
We gotta go. Randall, we're out.
I gotta film, I'm sorry.
Okay, I think you got it. Okay.
Have you ever seen that episode of Friends?
Clean?
Has anyone
Yeah.
ever seen that episode of Friends?
It'll do.
Where Chandler's doing that to, I think it's
Monica.
it's Monica. And he's like,
shower.
yeah, she's like, I think you got it.
I don't know if I can get in here and steer this thing with my legs. Well, this is interesting. All right. Whoa! Holy cow!
I was going to say,
All
take
right.
it easy over
Take
the
it
bridge.
easy. Yeah, I don't want to drive off the bridge. That would be a scary incident.
Real great. Ooh, jeez. We're gonna have some
bandage.
some grief when it launches out of there. We'll. Okay, brace yourself. Holy cow!
Okay, now try it.
It's still really tight, man. It's gonna go, but it's gonna make lots of noise and scare us to death. So, I can do it.
Never mind, we ain't gonna die
We just
today.
had it out.
Now this is a little bit iffy. Yeah. All right, here we go. Hang on. Going off the Grand Canyon here.
That was awesome.
I think she was afraid I was going off the bridge, but it wasn't bad.
One more.
All right, enough with all the fun and games. Let's fix a Toyota. All right, today in the shop, we got a little Toyota Tundra action. This is my brother-in-law's truck. He's a hunting guide, and he beats on this old truck. It's on dirt roads more than it's on pavement. It's got a wheel bearing going out in the front, so we're gonna hurry and fix it. He needs it tonight by 5, and it's like 3 o'clock right now, so we're gonna hurry. These Toyota lug nuts are a pain in the butt. They're kind of set up. They go inside the rim. They're a pain. Not supposed to do all that moving. All right, we shall unbolt some stuff. It's almost wore through the brake. The little protector thing at the bottom right here. That's how far it's leaned it in. It's rubbing that. We're about there. Never done a Tundra ball joint because they're Toyotas. They just don't go bad. Just kidding. But I have never owned a Tundra, so what I got going on is it's a little different. It doesn't bolt in. I got to take this whole situation off here. I got to take this whole thing off and press this out. Show you what we got. They send us the new wheel hub, which is awesome, but I don't have the bearings to go on it. Usually there's bearings on it and you just press it in. Don't have those, so we're getting those currently, and then hopefully by the time I have this tore apart and ready for new ones, they'll be back with them. Come on. Got him. All right. I gotta take a brake line off and an ABS sensor. All right, one ABS sensor. Okay. I think it's bad. Look at the bearings down inside of there. She's toast. There's a bearing that's not supposed to be there. Just hanging out there. Yeah, so, all right. That should push it. If we can get her blocked up. Nope, didn't catch. Started to go, and it quit. Okay. Just put it down right there. I think we can just push those bad dogs right out of there, as far as I know. Ooh. It's tight. Crooked. I'm gonna go take this sill. So I was just testing my press skills out over there. I knew this was in there the whole time. Hunter, why didn't you tell me that this was in there? I forgot to tell you when you got hired on that anything that goes wrong
My fault.
is automatically your fault. Now that we've got that covered, we can take this thing right apart. Oh yeah. That's not good. Just for the record, that's bad. Okay, let's go push that out and we're good to go. Got him. All right, there's what it looks like. It was not happy. He wasn't very far from complete failure. All right, new bearings are in. Pushing the old hub back in it. That's bottomed out. Okay, now we just go put the ABS ring back in here and the keeper for it. We're done. 4 bolts away from finishing this thing. Get the ball joints bolted up. Brakes on it. Why did you let me do that, honey? I just started these bolts and didn't put the brake caliper on, or the brake rotor on. I was testing you. You failed. Failed miserably, Hunter.
My job is to make sure your head is in the camera, you know?
Oh! Go in there. Just like so. Alright, this is a pretty easy job when you get all the right parts. But if you ain't got the right parts, it makes it pretty hard to put it together. But we're close. Brakes are tight. We gotta tighten nut on the end. ABS sensor. And this thing is ready for a test drive. You got that cotter pin? Don't want to forget that. Throw the tire on it. We're done. He'll be good to go. Hunt starts tomorrow, so we're kind of working hard so he can get back out there, and that's how he makes money, is guiding people. We'll get him back on the road. I guess all there is left to do is get this thing out of the shop so he can come pick it up.
Hey guys, don't forget about our membership program. It is awesome. The people that are on it so far love it.
So you'll get to see more of our pretty little faces, and you'll get to do some live chats and question and answer stuff with us.
You get to talk to us.
You'll get the longer build videos too, kind of more in-depth stuff that we can't cover in the 20-minute video.
Yep. So it's in the link in the description. If you guys want to join, check it out.